how are you doing? Let me first remove my shades. My name is Rita. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. I do travel and lifestyle content on here, and today I'm heading for a paint and sip event at the Circular Design Hub, and I'm taking you guys along with me. So enjoy the video and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'm here for the paint and sip event. Yes. Told me to ask at the reception.
Okay, let me direct you right now.
Okay. The paint and sip event was at the Circular Design Hub, and I saw it off Instagram and I decided to go. There were drinks, there were games, there was good music. Generally, you would choose what to do, either choose to paint or choose to play games or get a table and maybe play a different card games. And there was a free drink on the house and many people that were making like cocktails and all that. So after sketching, this was the sketch that I did on myself. It was time to color. I really liked the coloring experience because it was very therapeutic, and then it was also nice to be like in an open space color as people are listening to music and playing games. Generally, it was a nice event. Hi guys, so I just back from the event. It ended up at about 7 p.m, so I had to rush out of there, but it was a nice event, nice way to release stress. The painting was fun because first of all, I'm someone who loves painting, and also I like what it does to my mind because it sort of releases the stress and everything. So it's a nice place to hang out. The event is called Paint and Sip social event. I'll leave the flyer here. I don't know. Okay, there's a way they weren't like, I couldn't tell who was the main person running the thing, so I couldn't really get details. But I'll just leave the flyer here so that you can follow them either on Instagram or somewhere and just check them out, or I'll write it in the description box so that in case you want to look out for the next event, you'll be able to look out for it and maybe attend it. But it's a nice event, nice way to release stress, nice way to meet new people if you're the kind of person who wants to meet new people. Me, as mainly there to paint, because the painting really, like, I spent my most of my time painting, and of course painting takes time, so it took me like an hour and a half to finish that thing, the whole thing that you saw. And yeah, they gave me my painting. I'm going to hang it in the room. I'll find somewhere to put it, or like a frame or something, and I'll hang it. So basically that is it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Check out my other videos. I do travel and lifestyle content on here, and subscribe to the channel. Bye. See you in my next video.